Okay, so as you know, you get the smart sensor. Only the battery one was measuring. Everything else, none of the sensors were working, so I had to work them out. When you download the app, there's a little bit of mucking around. So first you have to find the little button, which is, if I don't know if you can see it, the little button for the tester is right at the back where the power wires down the bottom. There's a little button there, and you have to press that, and you'll see a little light blink just under here. And then that'll get in the Bluetooth mode so you can connect it. After you connect it, a really important thing is to make sure you have on your display on your phone, and make sure that you have the text to the smallest thing. Otherwise, because the text is so big, you can't see the OK buttons. And then you just go for the air monitor, each one of them. And then when you press the OK button, you actually got to turn it on into the air monitor. Obviously activates the switch and gets that working. So we did that with all the gas ones and everything like that. I had to wire the power one up, the inside temperature one. So I just put that in there. It was a 4mm hole, and I just used the angle bit with the drill. And you'll need the angle bit on this too to get out that smart link where they put mine as well. So then I just use the one that goes in the angle bit, the 4mm hole. And then I'll just clean up that wiring up in there now. So I haven't done that. You can see I've got my two radios here. I just haven't, I'm still waiting on a USB connection so I can wire that up to power those up. But I've got most of the other stuff done now. So I'm just going to screw this back in and then fix that wiring up. And then I should have monitoring of my gas bottles, my tyres, inside temp, outside temp, and my fridge temp. That's all I've done. You can buy more if you want to, but I think that's more than enough. Okay. Oh, and also, g'day. So some of the couple of other things I did was I've got me two little Baofeng radios. And I just use those because you can actually program the channels in. So I've got the 40 UHF channels, plus I've got my marine channels in there too, so I can talk to the boat if I need to. And then I stuck a 4-point power board in there with some USB-C and USB-A inputs. I also put in a double cigarette lighter, 12 volt, and a couple of USBs as well on that side. And that just fires on when you turn the load onto the van. That's about it. Then I obviously connected up that smart thing. So that's what I did there to complete all that off. And then, so when I'm running power, I can run the charge off here to charge up radios, and then we're off grid. I'll just plug them into this USB here to charge up the radios, and the same with the portable speaker up the back. Something that's good to mention also is the TV can Bluetooth to the stereo. I didn't realise that, so I actually bought a Bluetooth transmitter for the TV, and then I realised that the TV can do it itself. So you can have the TV playing through the radio outside or inside by just Bluetoothing it. So you can do that. If you have the TV outside, you can Bluetooth to the speakers outside and listen to it. So that's pretty cool. Something I didn't realise. Maybe you didn't. Maybe you did. No, one of the other things that I did too is I put some of these elastic tarpaulin ties down on here. So I just put one up there. Just that if during when it's travelling, this could go backwards and forwards, and I'm assuming smashing into this here, hence why they put these extra locks on here. So by putting that up there and locking it, same as the bathroom door, then we're not going to have any issues with that. So I put one on there and one on the one below it as well. So anyway, that'll be the test on the first camping trip to see if that works or not.